Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to manage LPR protocol settings on your Canon Pixma. So first, we need to go over to the gear icon, which is the settings, now the device settings, and here we need to click on the LAN settings. So let me quickly leave these, go to here, LAN settings, wireless direct settings, and then advanced. Now here we can change the LPR protocol setting. We can either enable or disable it, and it's basically all up to your preference and what you need the printer for. So that's basically it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, then leave a like, sub, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.